What is a synonyms and antonyms? Synonyms. A synonym is a word, phrase, the meaning of which is the same or nearly the same as another word or phrase. Words that are synonyms are described as synonymous. Synonym examples: artful, crafty, ballot, poll. Chorus, refrain, deceptive, misleading, generous, immense. Antonym. An antonym is a word, phrase that means the opposite of another word or phrase. Check the examples. Antonym examples: admire, detest. Bravery, cowardice, crooked, straight, dainty, clumsy, economize, waste. Importance of synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms enhance language variety and richness, provide alternatives for effective communication, aid in avoiding repetition and monotony in writing, or speech.antonyms add depth and nuance to language usage, assist in expressing contrasts and shades of meaning, encourage precise and deliberate choice of words for clearer communication. Uses of synonyms and antonyms effectively. Synonyms. Choose synonyms based on context and tone. Be mindful of subtle differences in connotations. Use synonyms to add flavor and vividness to your writing. Antonyms. Identify antonyms to create deliberate contrasts. Utilize antonyms to highlight differences or emphasize points. Consider the impact of antonym usage on the overall message or theme.